In this video, I'm going to show you how to post videos on Mighty Networks. Now, depending on where you actually want to post them, it's going to be a bit different of a process. However, all of them are very easy. So if you want to post videos, for example, in the chats here, as you can see on the bottom left, wherever you have your text field, you can click on Add File. And from here, you can go ahead and just basically find your video, click on it, click on Open over here, and it's going to upload that video. And you can then basically just paste it in, send it in by pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. And there we go, your video has been posted. So that's the first way. The second one is, for example, if you are within a course, you could go ahead and open up one of your specific fields over here. You can just open this up, and then you can go ahead and, for example, go to Edit, and then up top you can click on Add Header Media, and this is where you can basically add in a header video as well. Okay, you can just basically go ahead and post it in here, and that's gonna be it. Of course, you could also add a URL in case you have it posted elsewhere, and that's basically how to do it. So you also have an option to do this within, for example, events. So if you go to the Events tab over here, if you're trying to create a new event by clicking on here, you can then go ahead and, of course, add a header image or video as well. We'll clicking over here, selecting video, and then again posting in the link to that video, and then you'll be able to do it that way as well. So that's basically how to post videos. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.